What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another fascinating video in which we selected the top instant cameras available to make your decision easier. If you're interested in learning more about these products, go to the description to find the most recent costs and details. Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1. At first we have this, which represents a new midpoint in the company's line of instant cameras. In actuality, it combines the benefits of both combining the simplicity of use of Fuji's more basic models with larger, square format film. With square dimensions dominated by the huge lens barrel, it is more than a little similar to the more expensive SQ6. It's good to see the wrist strap included in the box because it's just as large and impossible to fit one in the pocket. Ice blue, terracotta, orange, and chalk white are vibrant color choices that support this camera's fun-first concept. The film pack is stored behind the flip-down door, and a little counter in the grip indicates how many shots are remaining so you don't waste a pack by prematurely opening the door. And in comparison to Polaroid's physical, larger, I-type film, prints can fully develop in 3 to 10 minutes and are ejected out of the top of the camera. Lomography Lomo'Instant. Although it resembles and functions almost just like Lomography's normal Lomo'Instant automat, this glass version has a rubberized makeover that, in addition to giving it a little retro, futurist aesthetic, which also serves as a surface on which fingers and thumbs may acquire a strong hold. But we do receive different glass in this case, a 38mm lens with a brighter, faster f/4.5 maximum aperture, and an extra wide-angle 21mm equivalent in 35mm terms. Technically, we receive images of a higher quality than those produced by standard instant point and shoot cameras, but its prints are no larger than a library card or bus pass. Non's SL660. This is worth a look if you yearn for the creative freedom provided by interchangeable lenses, but still like the concept of Instax Square film. It produces better images than standard instant cameras with fixed plastic lenses when using Canon EF glass. It has a passive EF mount and is compatible with a wide range of vintage M42, Nikon F, PK, CY, and medium format mount lenses. Aluminum alloy has been CNC anodized, makes up the camera's primary body. Moreover, the stainless steel speed dial has a polished appearance. What else has a hot shoe for an external flash, bulb mode, aperture control, multiple exposure, and a shutter speed control. Also, this is even better since it features a built-in optical system and 3 multi-coating glasses that expands the image field of full-frame lenses to medium format size of 6x6. Lastly, for the battery, it lasted moreover 100 shots during our test on a single charge. Polaroid Now Plus is Polaroid's most comprehensive instant camera yet, combining the boxy design, dual lens focusing, and detailed image quality of the Polaroid Now with Bluetooth connectivity of the One Step Plus. Using the upgraded smartphone app allows access to a variety of inventive shooting modes. Moreover, there are now tripod and aperture proprietary modes for use with the new screw mount below, in addition to self-timer, double exposure, light painting, and manual exposure options. So the Now Plus is a terrific alternative for expressing yourself creatively while yet being as simple to use as a point and shoot. The price of a Polaroid I-type film, which makes you second guess throwing away photos, serves to somewhat stifle innovation. Nevertheless, when done correctly, prints are just what instant photographs should be. Huge, luscious vintage style squares that reach full color in 10 to 15 minutes. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. This camera is yet another of our favorite hybrid instant cameras. For those who are new to the medium, hybrid instant models are a great place to start because they combine digital photography with instant film in one gadget. This is definitely fashionable with faux leather and a chrome appearance modeled by an old rangefinder camera. It doesn't feel as high-end because the structure is virtually completely plastic, but it is reassuringly heavy to grasp. The hybrid character of the camera is obvious from its 3-inch LCD screen and navigation controls on the back, and they are integrated into the film door, which is secured in place by a clasp strong enough to withstand even the lightest knock. Also, the camera's built-in battery could last up to 100 pictures and approximately 20 photo prints. It can be charged using the micro USB port that is tucked down on the bottom of the device, which is also where the micro SD card slot is located. The exposure and white balance of the performances are now automatic, but can be changed by pressing a few buttons. With dark shadows and paler highlights, the colors and contrast are also often striking. In comparison to competing film formats, definition is finer, and there is no light leaking as the camera is made in the lomography manner. KODAK Mini Shot 3 Retro. For those who don't need anything too difficult, KODAK's Mini Shot 3 is a cute little instant print camera. It uses KODAK's 4-pass all-in-one cartridge to produce tiny square prints that are 3 inches by 3 inches rather than zinc like the Zotac Smile above. The colors are rated to persist longer than zinc and pop much more vividly. Also, its app allows you to save 10 megapixel digital images, which you may do via Bluetooth. If you want to shoot immediately on a tiny budget, this is a wonderful alternative because the camera is generally quite affordable, and maintaining it isn't too expensive either.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.